Hello everyone. So this is Marrakesh, Morocco. So this video is taken from the airport towards our destination, which is Peak Albatross here in Morocco. Our short family vacation for only 7 days, but it's nice to get away from the cold weather in Sweden and come here to Morocco, a warm place actually. So enjoy this fantastic video. This video has no sound actually because when we ride in a taxi, so the taxi has music and to avoid copyright. So I'm showing you a little bit of Morocco. Enjoy.